In this video we will discuss about integration, and this is third video on integration. You will get the links of first two parts in the description box. So let us start. First problem is integration of x secant square x dx. So we have to apply the Eilert formula, which says I late, that means this will be a first function and this will be a second function, as algebraic will get more priority than the trigonometric function. So first formula says that first function as it is, integration of second function. So we have integration of secant square x is equals to 10x. So it will be 10x minus whole integration differentiation of first function. So differentiation of x will be 1. Then again integration of second function, then it will be 10x dx. Then x 10x as it is minus integration of 10x dx. Then again you can write it as x 10x minus integration of 10x is equals to log minus log cos x. So you can simply put the value which is minus log cos x plus c as a constant. So it will be x 10x minus plus log cosecant x. We have one more formula of integration of 10x, which is log secant x. So instead of this you can also go for log sec x, then the answer would be x 10x minus log secant x and plus constant c. So this is the second way. If you are using the formula of this, then this should be your answer. Otherwise if you are going for the 10x log cos x, then this will be the answer from the first formula. Let us see another example, that is integration tan cube x secant x dx. So integration of tangent cube x secant x dx would be, first of all I am splitting this tan cube x into tan square x and tan x, then it will be tan square x secant x 10x dx. And we have a formula which states that 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x, or you can say that tan square x is equals to secant square x minus 1. So instead of tan square x I will put secant square x minus 1, and rest it will be as it is. Now I will take u is equals to secant x, and when I will differentiate it, it will be du is equals to secant x 10x dx. Now the secant square minus 1 will be u square minus 1, and secant 10x dx would be du. So it will be du. Now we will go for the simple integration, and it will be u cube by 3 minus u plus c as a constant. We will just change this variable u into the original variable that is x. So u is equals to secant x, it will be secant cube x by 3 minus secant x plus c. So this is the final answer. Now let us look third integration, which is you have to integrate tan inverse root x dx. So you have to put this root x is equals to t. So t is equals to root x, and when we will differentiate it, it will be dt is equals to 1 by root 2x dx. Later we will use the value of t square, so it could be t square is equals to x, and this is equals to 1 by t, root x is equals to t. So it will be, you can write it in this way, and then this implies that 2t this 2t, we're just transposing it, shifting it to the other side. It will be 2t dt is equals to dx. Now just put the values in the main integral, which is, this implies that tan inverse root x is equals to t, and instead of this dx you have to put this value, which is 2t dt. I'm just taking this 2 outside of the integral, which is 2t tan inverse t dt. Now we have to apply Eilert, and according to Eilert, this is your second function and this is your first function, because inverse trigo are treated to be as the first function. Now apply the formula. It will be 2 the whole bracket first function as it is, so tan inverse t, integration of second function, so it will be t square by 2 minus whole integral first function, differentiation of first function, so it will be 1 by t square, and different integration of first function, which is t square by 2 dt. Then 2, we can take this 2 common and it will be over here, so we can just cut it off. Tan inverse t square minus, then it will be, we have took this 2 common, so it will be t square 1 plus t square dt. Now I will tell you how to solve this part, so we will straight away use the answer of this integration. So this is integration of t square by 1 plus t square dt. So what I'm doing is I'm adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay, so this will make no effect on the whole integral, and then I will just separate it and it will be in this way, dt and dt. Okay, so this will be, we can cancel it out as 1 minus, this will be 1 plus t square dt. The integral of this will be t, and the integral of this will be tan inverse t. So we got to know this is the final answer of this integral, so we will use this result. Now this will be as it is, tan inverse t plus t square minus, we will use that result, and it will be bracket t minus tan inverse t plus, can this take this constant as a whole for the constant for the whole integral. Now we will change this back into the original variable, that was x, so t is equals to root x, then it will be tan inverse root x, t square was x minus t was root x minus tan inverse t was root x plus whole, okay, you can take it as a plus c. When you will open the bracket it will be plus, so I'm doing from this last step. Now I'm just taking this tan inverse root x as common, so it will be x plus 1 tan inverse root x, and minus root x is still left, so minus root x plus c, and this is the final answer. I hope these integrals are clear to you, and if you have still any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, or you can follow me on the Instagram and text me over there.